Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry and today is Slow Cooker Sunday. We are going to be making some chicken fajitas. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, you love fun, you love slow cooker recipes, but most importantly, you love helping out a good cause. Make sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and check the description for details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. All right, I love this chicken fajita recipe because it only takes about 5 minutes to prep and then the slow cooker does all the work for you. So super easy. I've got a whole onion that I chopped up here. Well, I didn't chop it up. I just kind of sliced it pretty big. I have another tool that I'm going to show you when we get to the end of this, and that's why I'm not going to worry about chopping it up too fine. So the easiest way to cut a green pepper is to just slice off all 4 sides, and that will leave you with the core in the center, and I usually use the end of it as well. So this here, I'm just going to chop into, I got a little bad spot there we're going to cut out. Throw those in, and then I wanted to show you this tool also. This is one of everybody's favorites. So this makes slices. This is great for pickles. I've done mozzarella balls with this, all kinds of things. But look at that. Slices. So easy. And if you want, you can turn them again, and it'll do a dice for you. I can't remember if this is called the simple slice or the quick slice. Should be quick because it was super quick, right? So that is sliced up. I've got a few limes from something I made yesterday. I don't remember what it was. So I'm just going to go ahead and squirt those in there. And then I've got a few garlic cloves, so about 3 or 4, depending on the size. I'm going to toss those in there. And then I've got some chicken tenderloins here, so boneless, skinless. I'm just going to go ahead and toss those down in there. And then for our seasoning, I usually pick up a packet of like the fajita seasoning. I didn't have that on hand, but I did have some taco seasoning that I needed to use up. So I'm just going to put that on there instead. We're going to kind of sprinkle that around. And then I'm going to give this a good stir. Let's move this back. And we really don't need to add any liquid because as the vegetables cook, they're going to give off a lot of liquid. And that, I think, is pretty good. I might give it a stir again about halfway through the cooking time. So I've got it set to low, and I'm going to let these cook for about 4 to 6 hours. Fajitas should be done. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it smells so good. So this is the tool I wanted to show you guys. These are our salad choppers, and they also cut fruit, but what I really love them for is to cut meat. And you may have seen me use these before. What I love is if you're going to chop the meat up, you don't have to take the meat out of whatever you cooked it in. You could just stick these right in there. So great for fajitas, carnitas, pulled pork, all kinds of stuff. And because I'm going to photograph this, I think I'm going to leave a couple of these whole. I'm just going to pull out a couple and show you guys how it works. Like that. Let's do that. Let's push this out of the way. So these, they almost look like a pair of scissors, but they're actually 2 blades and a scoop. But look how easy that is. So that's why when I make this, I don't have to worry about chopping the onions up really fine or the green peppers because I know I'm going to do this step afterwards. Look at that. All right, so I have got a tortilla here. Let's put a little bit of this on here. And I got a little bit of queso cheese. You can crumble up a bit of that on there. Look at that. I think we might need a little bit of sauce, but let's give it a try. It's really good, but I don't think that was taco seasoning I needed to use up. That was chili seasoning, but it still has a really good flavor. Might want to throw some sour cream on it now. Yeah, I think it still needs a little bit of sauce, but all in all, chicken fajitas are wonderful. I mean, who doesn't love chicken fajitas? So I will post a recipe for some Pico de Gallo right here, so be sure to check that out. And I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.